Welcome to my home on four wheels. I solo car camp with my dog on the weekends so that we can be close to the mountains. Today we drove 6.5 hours to get to the East Kootenays, and we have a really exciting mission for tomorrow. Good morning! Are you ready for the day? We had a bit of a sleep in, but it's time to get up. So this is where we slept last night. I couldn't see what was around us because it was dark, but this is beautiful. Today's goal is to hike about 15 kilometers and almost 1,000 meters elevation gain to Lake of the Hanging Glacier within the Purcell Mountain Range of British Columbia. So we need to pack some snacks, and I need to eat something before we go. We've got dehydrated mango that I made at home. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for tonight. Unbuckle the power bank. So I packed my day bag already, just throwing some snacks in there. You guys are gonna be with us for the next 2 days. So today we're hitting up an alpine glacier lake, and tomorrow we're gonna hit up a different spot that's on the same Forest Service road. We're making a really quick breakfast today because we have a really good dinner planned for when we get back, and I have a pretty big lunch packed. Just some simple PB&J and a banana. Actually no J, just the PB. It's about 11 degrees right now, so it wasn't too hot in the car. When I'm by myself, I don't like to put the bug nets on, and I like to keep the windows fully done up. So that was nice. It was, when we left Kelowna yesterday, it was 35 degrees. I'll put the Fahrenheit on the screen. In the mountains in the morning, it's 11 degrees, a high of 20. It's so much better for car camping, especially with a dog with a double coat. If you had told me 3 years ago I would be solo road tripping every weekend deep into the mountains, driving on Forest Service roads that could pierce my oil tank if I even looked at a sharp rock the wrong way, sleeping at random pull-offs only to hike in grizzly bear infested forests by myself, I'd say that sounds awesome. I truly have never felt more alive, and every time I venture out, I become less afraid of what could happen and more addicted to being in nature. One foot in front of the other. We are crawling up this incline. I cannot wait to jump into that glacier-fed lake. I've only seen one other group of people so far, and we are about halfway there. It's been relatively flat, but the second half is all incline. So we're about to get a really good workout in. My mom always says 2 feet in a heartbeat, and when things get tough, I just think of that and keep going, 1 foot in front of the other. I'm actually going on a really big hike with her next weekend in Washington, and we're very excited about it. So I'll be filming that, and it'll be up on my channel after this video. I'm putting out a video every single Thursday, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss next week's. We're almost there. These bridges are so cute. These fields are alive. There is so much living insects, butterflies, and who knows what else in these flowers. It's so beautiful. That is huge. We made it, and it's so blue, so beautiful. There's just a couple people over right at the end of the trail, so we are scrambling around the lake to get our own little private spot because this lake is huge. Hero's a mountain goat right now. Can you see him? He's blending in with that tree right there. There he is. He took off so fast. There's no people around this part. I cannot believe the weather luck I've had the last 4 weekends. I'm not able to get out there and explore during the weekdays, so to have this good weather on the weekends, I've been super lucky. July has been so good. It's been really hot though, but in the mountains, Kiro can hang. Oh, oh, it's cold. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so cold. Come. Yeah. I gotta get out. Oh, wait. The wet bathing suit can go in my front pouch. Just shove it in there. So now it's not mixed in with anything in my actual bag. These are all glaciers here. This dehydrated mango fruit leather I made at home is so good. It tastes like a fruit roll-up from when I was a kid. I've tried bananas and strawberries, and this is by far way better. If you go in after that duck and you didn't go in with me, you're sleeping outside the car tonight. Always coming for you, Kiro. Look at this valley, it's so green. Oh my God. Okay, here's a trail thought for you. Why do marmots scream? I didn't see you, and now you've given away your location. If I wanted to eat you, now I know where you are. I'm gonna have to look that up. Why do they scream? We're on our way back to the car now, just a nice and relaxing hike back. I have some good dinner plans that we're gonna make out of the back of the Subaru. The river is quite brown, not as trying to find a spot to make dinner, but while we wait, we're snacking on seaweed. There's some horseflies in this area that were bugging Kiro. He was just laying outside of the car, so I'm just gonna put the bug nets on the windows, roll them down. It is warm in the car when it's not running because it's not nighttime yet. But it's 6:30, I'm starving. Let's make some dinners. We're having veggie burgers and couscous salad. I don't think the bears will want my veggie burgers, so we're safe. Okay, we're gonna try and cook this really fast because the horseflies are not good in this area. We just pulled off because I couldn't wait to get to, it was another hour down a separate Forest Service road, so we gotta eat. This is from the dollar store. You just put olive oil in it and it sprays like Pam, but it's better for the environment and it is cheaper. I say better for the environment as I open my plastic wrapper. Also have some turkey bacon. Garbage bags are so key. We got tomato, pickles, burger. I like a lot of lettuce. This is not my first bite. I already tasted it and it's really good. I realize I don't have a bowl big enough to hold this whole couscous salad, so I'm emptying half of it into a smaller container. Okay, going in the couscous salad. I wish I had a bigger Tupperware. I say this every time, but beans. These are just canned beans that are, we have some olives. I love olives, and sun-dried tomatoes. Some feta dressing, lemon, and then Greek dressing is my go-to. It's so simple. Oh, and cucumbers. So many flavors, it's so good. The thing about the cast iron is it doesn't cool down very quickly, so I cooked and I'm ready to go, but this is a bit hot. I'm just gonna put it in here but not rest the plastic on it. Or maybe I will. Who knows? Not the daisies. Set up my little tripod here. Well, it is not even dark out and we are so tired. It was a super fun day, but we are ready for bed. My hopes for the weekend is always much more ambitious than I think I can do. With the 6.5-hour drive tomorrow so that I can get to work on Monday, I think I'm just going to make some coffee and breakfast and head home. And with that said, I think we're going to clock out for this video. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you to the Patreon community for supporting Kira and I's adventures. You guys are essentially the producers of these videos. You allow us to spend more time and dedicate more weekends to this, so thanks so much, and we will see you next week. Goodbye.